हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू थर्बल थॉट्स। दिस फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Kermesse is a winter season festival celebrated in Dash region. So it is celebrated in Kailash. Question number 2. Lohri festival usually celebrated in Punjab region marks the dash of winter. So it is marks the end of winter. Question number 3. Mayfun festival is celebrated in Gilgit-Baltistan on 21 December. Question number 4. The Sindhi name for Lohri festival is, so the Sindhi name is Lal Lohri. Today's last question. What is the Baltistani New Year called? Baltistani New Year called Losar.